I have like tons of amazing memories. I mean, if somebody is working with you, how can they not have great memories? Having said that, the one of my most favorite one is the one where we were out at A Club for CB Seniors dinner, and you said to Rajiv, "This is one resource of mine. I'm extremely proud of. मुझे काम नहीं करना पड़ता है." And for others who are hearing this video, this actually happened. I wasn't drunk. Though just the following day I was backed up for giving some wrong numbers. But I presume that this was just to bring me back to ground, as I was floating around the cloud after the previous day compliments.
Hi Vincent. I have a lot of memories during my last 2.5 years when I worked with you and interacted. Starting from the 10-minute telecom interview that you did for me and recruited, our Coimbatore trips where we met LGV promoter, and the pre-MCC calls that we've had, and also some of the blastings that I got from you for good reasons.
Hi, was Kalpesh here. So, as a part of your farewell message, your beloved Kinjal has dictated us to say three things about you. One is the fond memory of working with you. Well, being in CEO, there are a lot of fond memories rather while working with you. One thing that comes to my mind instantly is that when you were fresh in the bank, and whenever something used to get done, we used to go and update you. You were like, "आप तो क्या नाची?" Like, हाँ, नाच लेते हैं. The other memory that is very fresh is that it's a funny incident. There was a case for which you had called us for discussion in your room and in your cabin, and during discussion we found out that you didn't have your glasses, one of the glasses of your specs. So while discussing, suddenly you put your finger inside that frame, and as it is, we were dumbfounded in terms of what kind of questions you were asking, and then suddenly this thing happened, and you're like, "क्या चल रहा है?" So that was a funny incident, and
one of the early interactions Vincent had with me was through WhatsApp chat. Post the client meeting at Mumbai for one of the accounts which I was handling. Later I got to know that day he had temperature. I think that's the kind of intensity and commitment he had brought in day in and day out throughout the tenor. That's one thing I would like to imbibe in my professional career.
Hi Vincent, I don't know if you remember, but when you had joined the bank, coincidentally at the same time I was about to move to CIB team because there was a very good offer on plate, but you convinced me not to move, and honestly I haven't regretted that decision even for a single day. Primarily the reason being getting an opportunity to work under your leadership. As I keep on saying that you are a social media in himself, and one can easily with so much content available that one can easily learn and upskill oneself just by observing you. So please keep that going wherever you are. As they say, all the good things in life come to an end, so does this partnership. But we are going to send you off with a smile. So cheers till we meet again. Bye.
Hi Vincent, this is Dhanashri, aka DK as the name you gave me. The reason I'm telling you my name is because 10 years down the line, when you will see this video again, you should remember my name. Don't ever forget it. Okay, so the two unforgettable memories I have with you is the first time you blasted on me and the last time you blasted me. The first one was when I did not remember my numbers, and the last one, the recent one, is when I joined the call really late. Trust me, I got trolled from pan-India people for that. But having said this, the most memories I have with you, I will never forget your punchlines. Like when I had told you that salary team wants to meet you, you were like, "Kyun main model hu kya?" And one more was when I had written that speech for you, and I had mentioned the $5 trillion economy thrice, and you were like, "ये 15 trillion हो गया यार धनश्री."
Hi Vincent. So one of the fondest memories, or one of the memories working with you, has been for a meeting that we'd gone for Texpo to meet Raju Bhai. During the conversation, in the end, you kind of asked Raju Bhai about some finance and account guys that you were managing, or you were working with when you were managing this account as your first relationship. That kind of gave me an idea of your kind of memory and the connect you have with these guys, because after so many years, you still remember those guys that you managed in the accounts and finance for Texport and worked with during that time. Another memory has been working on the Rotex deal when we were looking at takeover of Citibank, and we were about to close the deal and we were taking over Citibank, and I had written a mail where I had, for some reason, written it as a hostile takeover, and you came out and you said, "I really like the word as hostile takeover." So Vincent, there have been quite a few memories like these that I remember, maybe on an account where I come to take WCDL rates for a trader from Padwell, and you kind of blast me for such a fine rate I always seek from you. Being such a good client, we've given that, but you've always pushed and you've kind of always done that. And working on accounts of MSCL, or have been for Bharat Serums and so on and so forth.